As teachers, we know that digital transformation is changing the way that we work and the way that we live. Developing digital skills and digital literacies in young people is becoming more and more important for schools. But understanding the best way to do this is very difficult. We need to focus on delivering the curriculum and engaging our students in learning. We found that Adobe Rush fits into our vision because it's quick to learn, it's easy to use, and it means that we don't really all need to be software experts. You can just pick it up and start.
We've been exploring pollution and sea waste, and we've been doing this with the use of Adobe Rush.
So we've been making a sea waste project, using different video clips, kind of putting them together, adding our text. It's just for a project for our class.
Overall, my experience today using Adobe Rush has been really great.
Really interesting, really easy to use, and I've really enjoyed it.
It was so fun. I really enjoyed it.
So our students have been working on an environmental science project looking at sea pollution and plastics in the sea, and they've had to work collaboratively, initially researching the subject and then going away and figuring out how to tell a compelling story and create a cohesive argument.
I really like using Rush. It's really easy to use.
Because I've never really used videos before, I've never really edited videos before, but it was a lot easier than I thought it would be. I think it looks quite professional, to be honest. I think the transitions and things like that, we added a little voiceover as well. Yeah, I'm really happy with how it's turned out.
Our students have learned all kinds of skills, particularly digital skills. They've learned about collaboration, they've learned about being part of a team, but they've also had to learn about how to hit a deadline. And of course, this is an excellent opportunity to be creative and to really think about how to construct a narrative.
Making a video with Adobe Rush was actually really easy.
I've really enjoyed it and I'm certainly going to use it in the future.
It's been a really good project. We've seen some outstanding learning happening, but we've also seen some real engagement from the students. We've not been fazed by learning this software. We've used the Adobe Education Exchange. It's got lots of free resources and free professional development courses, which have really allowed us to feel quite comfortable and quite confident to get up and deliver this. We think this is the beginning of something really quite exciting.